Aku bisa mulai.
Okay, guys. Good morning.
Good morning,
Good
Diki.
morning, Vicky.
Okay, meet me again, Tiki. This time our topic is different from yesterday about metaverse. Yeah, room metaverse. Today's in the session we will discuss or have a dialogue about metaverse for 3 days. Different for yesterday, only 2 days. This is 3 days about metaverse. Touching from the topic this time is quite interesting and fun about room metaverse. You can tell me about what you know about the metaverse and others, and use it for its. I immediately started from Nur Fazila, Panji, and last Mr. Raka. Okay, we will start again. Nur Fazila, can you
Yeah,
hear me? Can you hear me?
yes,
Okay,
yes.
please tell me what you know about the metaverse or have made a room in the metaverse, please.
Okay, thank you, Vicky. Okay, now get to know the metaverse. In fact, the first person who famously coined the term metaverse was Neil Stephen. He mentioned the slow class. The term metaverse refers to 3D virtual world inhabited by avatar of the people. This term does not have a universally accepted definition. Think of the metaverse as the internet rendered in 3D. In short, this is another word in code word virtual communication where people can walk, meet, by as virtual reality, augmented reality, glasses, smartphone, and or the device. Things to do in the metaverse. The metaverse allows you to do things like go to virtual conference, travel online, create or view at work and try on digital clothes to buy. Metaverse can be a game changer for the work from home shift system or work from home in the midst of the uh, only being able to see in video call box like a video conference application can join together in virtual office. According to a lot of the metaphor, experiences will be around to create the ability to from on the expression to another. The companion must find way to concrete this online platform to one another. Uh, Thank you for your attention, guys.
Okay, thank you, Sheila, for tell our story about metaverse. What is metaverse? Why metaverse? Okay, good. I will continue to the next member. Panji, can you hear me, Panji?
Yes, I can hear you, Diki.
Okay, Panji, tell me what you know about the metaverse or have made a room in the metaverse.
Okay, I will start ya. Metaverse is a 3D virtual world created with augmented reality or AR and virtual reality or VR technology with the aim of being a communication platform so that every user can work and play in the virtual world. The purpose of the creation of this metaverse is to become a modern communication platform and make it easier for everyone to carry out daily activities such as work, play, socialize, even virtual concert. Metaverse can be accessed with virtual reality glasses to add a real feel when users use the app. In addition, users can also access Metaverse via their computer or game console. In the world of Metaverse, you can create an avatar that represents yourself. Actually, this metaverse has been coined by Neil Stephenson in his science fiction novel entitled Snow Crash in 1992. According to Stephenson, metaverse is a virtual-based digital space that combines several technologies such as augmented reality and virtual reality. Well, 30 years later since the novel Snow Crash was published, the world has witnessed the technology in the science fiction novel comes to life. Now, metaverse can be accessed using virtual reality glasses such as Oculus or PlayStation VR, smartphones, computers, and game console. Actually, there are various activities you can do in metaverse, such as communicating with other users, working, playing, even watching concert. All of these activities can be done online so you can do them anywhere and anytime. The first major activity carried out on the metaverse was a concert performed by Justin Bieber on November 18. This concert is done in real time using motion capture, so Justin himself moved his avatar in metaverse. Concert audience are also present in real time so they can feel the same experience as watching a live concert. In addition, the audience can respond when watching in the form of an emote that will appear during the concert. Broadly speaking, metaverse uses virtual reality or VR technology, which is indicated by the existence of a virtual world that is constantly active, even when the user is not using it. In addition, he also uses augmented reality or AR, which function to combine the virtual world with the real world. Each user also has an avatar that can be modified as desired. This avatar is used to display yourself in the metaverse world, so other users will see you in the form of avatar you created. This avatar can be moved freely, allowing the user to wander through the world of the metaverse. Each technology must have advantage and disadvantage, depending on how wisely we use the technology. Just like metaverse, it also has some advantage and disadvantage. Okay, I will tell you about the deficiency of the metaverse. Number one, it can lead to addiction, lost track of time, and forgetfulness of the real world, become a source of data death, causes depression if life in the metaverse doesn't turn out the way he wants it to. And the advantage of metaverse, creating variety in performing daily activities. Number two, make things that were originally ordinary become interesting. Number three, raise a person's sensitivity to developing technology. Number four, improve the experience of using technology. Number five, can do work from anywhere and anytime. Okay, I think that's enough from me. Thank you.
Okay, Panji, thank you for explanation about metaverse. Panji, have question for you.
Yeah,
Panji, have you ever made a room in metaverse?
yeah, I have met a room metaverse before.
Yes. What is it?
I made room metaverse of Masjid Salman ITB.
Oh, oh, Salman Mosque in the ETB. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's right.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Who want to ask Panji, please? Oh, okay, okay. Panji, there are difficult when creating a room or creating Salman Mosque.
Uh, I think that's not that difficult. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. Wow. Good job, Panji. you know or feel difficult to build the Moscow Salman Mosque. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I will continue to the last member, Mr. Aka. Mr. Aka, can you hear me, Mr. Aka?
Yes.
Okay, okay, Mr. Aka. Tell me what you know about the metaverse or have made room in the metaverse.
Yes. Thank you, Diki. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Today we talk about metaverse. Yeah, metaverse is a technology that allows individuals to interact with other individuals virtually, just like Zoom, but lebih canggih gitu ya. Metaverse is often interpreted as a simulation of the real world of humans implemented in the cyberspace or the internet. Metaverse become even more a conversation when Mark Zuckerberg, yes, you know Mark Zuckerberg, changed Facebook's name to Meta, which was taken from the word metaverse. Zuckerberg revealed that the metaverse itself is the embodiment of the internet. Also, we know, yeah, in the metaverse, users we can create avatar as they wish. We usually make atau create avatars in Ready Player Me. Ya. A 3D avatar is a replica or user image in the form of 3D animation. This avatar can be used as a representation of the user on the internet. Like Panji and Diki, the avatar menarik dalam artian bukan menarik ya, maksudnya mirip ya gitu. Bisa dibilang lebih mirip gitu. Dan in the metaverse, users can carry out any activity in a virtual from such as gathering or holding meetings, just like right now, work, play, hold various events, attend concert, shop online, buy a digital property, and metaverse also has a relationship with crypto assets. It's like in metaverse batch 1 until batch 11, we learn about crypto, ya, cryptocurrency, blockchain, and the others. It is these crypto assets that serve as a payment instruments for buying and selling in the metaverse. There are several crypto assets that have been linked to metaverses as Decentraland and Sandbox. Metaverse also open up digital property investment opportunity that allow user to purchase virtual land on metaverse. Although the future is still unpredictable, the metaverse itself has attracted many investors because metaverse is a new world, ya, new universe. We can say that, gitu. And metaverse is very interesting for the people who know and who learn the technology, gitu. Because in metaverse we can do it any jobs gitu ya, any semua kegiatan gitu kita bisa lakukan di metaverse gitu. Nah, to perform this activity in the metaverse, users need to use additional tools in the form of VR, ya, virtual reality, glasses and gloves with haptic technology. And audio support may also be needed to support the visiting experience in the metaverse. VR glasses, haptic gloves, and audio can create realistic experience just like the real world, such as seeing sight, hearing sound, feeling various touches, and other sensations. Maybe metaverse is similar like the real world, gitu, but you cannot comparing metaverse and real world for me, gitu ya, because metaverse is very very different with the real world, gitu ya, because it's not same as, and metaverse is not real, gitu. But metaverse is interesting for future technology. So I hope we can learn metaverse lebih dalam lagi gitu ya. So I hope metaverse is interesting, just like playing The Sims gitu ya, playing The Sims, playing game gitu ya, metaverse, but lebih apa namanya, lebih serius gitu. So I hope we can learn, we can study metaverse and help each other to study metaverse gitu. So I think that's Diki. So thank you for the attention. So we can discuss about metaverse today.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Aka. I see Nur Fazila is live in the room. Okay, no problem. It's okay. Okay, Banji. If you have any question about metaverse, VR, or any others.
I think no.
Okay.
Maybe metaverse must have internet internet connection yang cepat gitu ya, atau yang aman ya.
Yeah, that's right.
Yes, koneksi internet that apa? Yeah, is cepat juga. Well, internet connection well.
Yeah, it's very hard to apa namanya, to enter the room ya, because my internet connection in my house gitu isn't good gitu, so butuh waktu lama gitu untuk masuknya.
Yes, alright. And then beside the connection, we must perlu device yang besar, Pak.
Yes,
Gitu.
yes, right. I'm join with HP ya, with headphone gitu. So it's very very hard ya to enter, and my handphone is very hot ya. My handphone is very very hot gitu. But metaverse is very interesting ya. I hope we can learn something gitu ya in metaverse. We learn we learn about metaverse and cryptocurrency ya, asset and the others in training metaverse ya, batch 1 until 11. So I think learn metaverse gitu is very very interesting, but ya device kita harus mumpuni gitu.
Yes, right.
Ya. Ini yang
Mr.
apa ya? Ya. Diki?
Yeah, Mr. Aka, I have any question. What is the experience? Yeah, what is the experience after the meeting in the Padepokan Siamio? This Padepokan Siamio room?
Ya, menarik ya, interesting gitu ya, meeting in metaverse, apalagi di room Padepokan ini ya gitu. Ini sudah banyak, sorry ya campur-campur jadinya, sudah banyak upgrade ya gitu dari roomnya. I'm very happy to see this room, very very comfy ya, apalagi kalau misalkan dibuat aslinya kayaknya seru nih. So I hope this room can be bigger ya than now gitu. So good job for you guys to create, to learn something gitu ya. And this is it gitu. Room metaverse-nya jadi gitu.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Aka. And then Zila, what is the experience after the meeting in the Padepokan Siamio room? Zila?
Or Zila is still in the room?
Diki, I think Zila have a problem ya.
Okay, maybe Zila any problem? Okay, Panji. Why you know about experience after the meeting in the Padepokan Siamio room?
Wait, can you repeat your question?
Okay, I will repeat my question. What is the experience after the meeting in
Maybe
the
Diki isn't in this
Padepokan
room,
Siamil room?
Panji.
Okay. Uh,
So I have a question. Ini device siapa yang digunakan gitu ya untuk membuat room ini gitu, Panji? Can you explain?
oh, uh, dia gimana ya? Device yang digunakan itu for build this room is using Reza device ya. With the yang membuat itu Malvin.
Okay. Malvin have a good talent ya in create room in this metaverse gitu.
What are you interesting
I
after
hope
the
this room
meeting?
can be bigger ya than it gitu.
Yeah.
But it's a great job gitu to finish this room. What
You guys,
time
where
all
Mr.
of you
Aka, ya?
finish this room?
Where Mr. Aka? Okay.
Okay.
1 month?
Okay,
2
Panji.
2 months?
I'm close, yes.
Okay. Okay, Biggie.
Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Maybe some
Halo,
of
Panji?
us are familiar with the metaverse because we have known
Halo, can
the
you hear me?
metaverse world for a long time and started developing the metaverse. Yes.
Halo?
Hi, Panji. Oh,
Ya,
okay,
halo
okay.
Panji. Halo Panji. Ya.
Hello, Mr. Aka.
Berapa lama membuat room ini gitu?
Okay, next. I think that's enough for today. Tomorrow we will discuss about the metaverse again. Yes, metaverse again. And same decision. Tomorrow discuss about the metaverse again. I hope tomorrow we will talk and tell story about the
I think
metaverse or your
meeting in the
experience
metaverse is good
after
idea gitu, but
learning the
ya internet connection
metaverse
must
and
stabil ya.
like
Ini
crypto
it's very hard to
and
we can hope
application
we can
use to build
the internet
metaverse
connection.
like Blender or
So because
SketchUp.
internet connection
Okay.
isn't good gitu
Thank you, guys.
if we use
Thank you, Panji.
Mozilla Hub.
Gila.
It's heavy gitu to
Okay. Thank you, Panji,
enter
for
this
your
room.
attention, for your
But I think
story about metaverse. Okay.
apa namanya,
Good morning, Panji. Thank you.
the idea of meeting in a metaverse, especially in Padepokan Siamio room ya, it's very very interested, and I am very happy to attend this meeting in Padepokan Siamio room gitu.
Oke, Panji.
Oke. Gimana Diki?
Oke, bisa di stop.